sorry, they said hold on.
Why don't you just see your strategy of shooting people with paintballs? That ought to work. I will gladly stick to that strategy.
I don't like it. I don't like it either. That is the worst idea ever.
You only have tracers.
You guys ready?
This just got serious.
You ready?
You guys ready?
Yeah, they're ready.
Guns up.
Are you ready, Ryan?
Let's go.
Not yet.
Oh, well, they're starting.
What's to your left, Matt?
Left.
To your left. Gotta be a hard ass.
That's right. Cameraman coming down, do not shoot! I am the cameraman! Oh, hey. We're gonna bug it down with you guys.
They're waiting for us to move.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, he's moving to our side now.
John, we're gonna need some cover fire.
2 of them are. No, hey, keep yourself hidden. Just keep a lookout.
One behind the heart. One up on the left side.
And then there's 2 on the right side.
Trenchwork's behind the heart. Oh, Trenchwork's moving up on the left. I mean, right. Left.
Okay, I'm just gonna go around the back.
Hands up left.
Yeah, but where's the big spot? You can see everything.
To the left. Get pressure off.
Hit.
I am the cameraman! Do not shoot me! Do not shoot the cameraman! Do not shoot the cameraman! Why did I don't shoot the cameraman? I am the cameraman! The video's up here, Flug.
Hi, buddy.
Flug and some Dante. Shooting video, buddy. Woo! That's gonna hit in the butt. Yeah, scare him at least.
Quick, Straight do it. Heading to it. What? Safety's on.
Being the cameraman, I realized you get hit by a lot of BBs. I am the cameraman. Do not shoot me. Do not shoot the cameraman. Do not shoot the cameraman. It's good footage of fans. More double fans. Let's fall back.
Yeah, they're in out. Two bunkers back, far left. You see him?
Don't get shot by him. Far left, far left. 2 bunkers from me. Three bunkers from me, sorry. I gotta move. John. There's a guy. So it's 3 towers from, or 3 bunkers from me, far left. He's the guy pinning me down. Far, far left, right on the tree line.
Cameraman, coming out.
He's outside. Is that us or him? We're talking.
He is friendly.
Never mind, you're friendly. No, that was our guy here. Yeah, I see it now. There is one in that bunker, though.
Some gunfire. Hey, look. Shotgun.
Hey, Bug, I know I hit you. Bug, I hit you.
Cameraman's been hit.
Bug, I know I
Moving
hit
up. Ow! You guys all out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm dead. Don't shoot me. I need a ball red rag, please. Hey, can I use one of your red rags or on? I don't have any red rag.
I gotta keep him on, man. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep getting shot even more. I have to stay alive. I'm a cameraman.
Look, I seen you get hit.
I see.
My arm.
I heard you get hit. That bunker right outside us.
Right there?
Yep.
Okay. The hard one?
Hey, I think it's game over.
You ready? 3, 2, 1, cover.
Guys, I think the game's over.
Game's over. Oh, game over?
Game over. Good game, guys. Game over. Good game.